Oh, here's a good one. Sit down. Wanna get the bear? Wanna get the bear? Wanna get the bear? No, you want the bear? No, you want the bear? Here, here.
That's cute.
Name is Airy Gift.
Sounds like they both have to go on diet.
She wants the stick, but she's too fat to go get it. Stop it, Chester. She's not going to steal it. She can't catch you.
Oh, jeez.
Sorry, Mom.
It's not your fault. I'm going to smell like a pond when I get home.
Pond water. Want to see a favorite trick, Mom?
What'd you do, Bronson? Oh, damn. I'm going to smell like a dog.
Careful.
Oh, that one? Where's his favorite stick?
Look, watch it when he runs past you there.
Oh, jeez.
He tries to run through the trees with it, and then he gets stuck because he don't fit. Careful. Crazy. Oh, look, she's right in the muck.
That's okay.
She's swimming again. Bailey, here.